Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will be replacing the thermal paste on the DELL Vostro 5000 series laptop. This process is essential for maintaining your laptop's performance and preventing overheating. Let's get started with the tools you will need. 1. Tools required. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 or number 1. A plastic spudger or prying tool. Isopropyl alcohol, at least 90% purity. Lint-free cloth or coffee filters. High-quality thermal paste, like Arctic Silver or Noctua. 2. Preparation. Before beginning, make sure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Gather all your tools on a clean, static-free surface. 3. Disassembly. Start by removing the screws from the back panel of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws. You can use a magnetic mat or a small container. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force as this may damage the clips. For accessing the CPU/GPU, locate the cooling system, which typically contains a heatsink and fan. Disconnect the fan's power cable carefully before proceeding. Remove the screws that secure the heatsink in place. Be sure to note their sizes and positions. 5. Cleaning old thermal paste. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe off the old paste from both surfaces. Make sure to remove all residue for a clean application. 6. Applying new thermal paste. Apply a small pea-sized amount of thermal paste directly onto the center of the CPU and GPU. It's crucial not to use too much, as it can spill over the edges. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it makes even contact with the CPU and GPU. 7. Reassembly. Secure the heatsink with its screws and reconnect the fan cable. Ensure everything is in place before putting the back panel on. Replace the back panel and screw it securely. If you're not comfortable performing this task yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service also includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about travel or making phone calls. You can get a quote before the repair begins, ensuring transparency throughout the process. 8. Testing. Once reassembled, power on the laptop and monitor the temperatures using a software tool like HW Monitor or CoreTemp. You should notice improved cooling performance. By following these steps, you can effectively replace the thermal paste on your DELL Vostro 5000 series. Regular maintenance will help ensure your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently, prolonging its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.